Bonjour. So, have you ever pictured yourself strolling through a Parisian market, just effortlessly picking out the perfect souvenir? Well, today we're going to make that happen. Seriously. By the end of this, you'll have all the key phrases you need to shop in French with total confidence.
But let's be real for a second. Does the idea of walking into one of those super chic Parisian shops fill you with, a mix of excitement and maybe a little bit of language anxiety? Yeah, you are not alone. But don't you worry, we are about to turn that nervousness into pure confidence, starting right now.
So think of this less like a test and more like a fun little mission. We're going to go on a virtual shopping trip together. I'll be your guide, and I'm going to give you the exact words you need for every single step of the way.
All right, mission accepted. First stop, finding that perfect item, right? Before you can buy anything, you've got to be able to ask for it. So let's learn the most important phrase for kicking off that conversation.
Here it is. This is your golden ticket. Je cherche. It literally means I am looking for. It's simple, it's direct, and it's perfectly polite. All you have to do is tack on the item you want right after it. Let me show you what I mean.
So, let's say you're on the hunt for a shirt. You just walk in and say, Bonjour, je cherche une chemise. See? So easy. Let's try the pronunciation. Bonjour, je cherche une chemise. Go on, give it a try.
Okay, how about some pants? You guessed it, it's the same exact formula. Je cherche un pantalon. Now the trick here is getting that classic French nasal sound. It's not pantalon, it's more like pantalon. You hear that? That little detail makes all the difference.
And one more for good measure. A jacket, je cherche une veste. That's vest. Simple. I mean, think about it. With just that one sentence, you can now ask for pretty much anything in the entire store.
Now, once you've asked for something, the salesperson is almost definitely going to ask you this, quelle taille? That just means what size. So the keyword you're listening for is la taille. That is your cue to tell them your size.
Okay, you did it. You found something you like, and it's in your size. That's fantastic. But now comes the moment of truth. We gotta talk price.
So you're holding that perfect thing in your hands. It feels right, it looks amazing, but what's the damage? Let's learn the simple, super polite way to find out how much it costs.
C'est combien, s'il vous plaît? Let's break it down. C'est combien is how much is it? But adding that little bit of magic at the end, s'il vous plaît, which is please, just makes it perfectly polite and respectful. And what are you likely to hear back? Something like this. Ça coûte 15 euros, or it costs 15 euros. The word you want to listen for is coûte, which means costs.
Okay, so you know the price, but maybe you're not totally sold just yet. You might want to try it on, or maybe see if there's a different size. Let's go over the phrases you'll need to make that final decision.
This next one, absolutely crucial for shopping for clothes. To ask if you can go to the fitting room, you just say, Je peux l'essayer. That's, can I try it on? Let's try that one together. Je peux l'essayer.
So you're in the fitting room, now what? Well, the great news is comparing sizes is super simple. You just need two little words, plus grand for bigger and plus petit for smaller. That's it.
And you know what? The exact same logic works for price. If you want to compare two items, plus cher is more expensive and moins cher is cheaper. That word moins, M-O-I-N-S, just means less.
Okay, let's put it all into practice. You tried on the jacket, but it's a little tight. You can just ask, Excuse-moi, vous l'avez en M? Which means, do you have it in a medium? Just swap out M for whatever size you need. Easy.
The moment has arrived. It fits like a glove, the price is right, and you are ready to make it yours. It's time to head to the checkout and seal the deal.
And this final part is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you state your decision with Je le prends, I'll take it. Step 2, you ask how to pay. Vous prenez la carte? Do you take card? And then step 3, a simple and essential merci. You're done.
Now, when you get to paying, you really only need to know two key terms. As you can see, there's paying by card, which is la carte bancaire, or you can pay with cash, which is en espèces.
Wow, okay, we have covered a lot. So to make sure these phrases really stick, let's just do a super quick practice round. I'm going to say the phrase, and I want you to say it right back, wherever you are. You ready? Let's do this.
All right, let's start with the big money question. Repeat after me. C'est combien? Excellent. One more time for good luck. C'est combien?
And now for that final confident moment of purchase. Let's put these two together. Ready?
Je les prends. Merci.
And now for that final confident moment of purchase. Let's put these two together. Ready? Je les prends. Merci. Fantastic. You honestly sound like a natural.
And just like that, you are officially ready to shop in French. So the only question left is, when you get to France and you walk into that first beautiful shop, what's going to be the first item on your list? What will be the first je cherche you say? Bon shopping!